Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making the environment reproducible. Export your current config. Plist and backup EFI. Next, ensure BIOS/UEFI settings match. VTD off, CFG lock disabled, and XHCI handoff set if required. Grab Lilu and whatever green plus any Apple Intel graphics fix-up variants. Also download the matching OpenCore or Clover release. Finally, identify your Intel GPU device ID and intended IG platform ID. This drives frame buffer selection. Once done, place those kexts in EFI/Clover/kexts/other or EFI/OC/kexts, so the next steps can focus on injection and patches. Now you perform targeted edits to make macOS recognize the Intel GPU. First, map your device ID to the correct IG platform ID and select the frame buffer that supports your display outputs. This is why you noted them earlier. Then edit config. Plist. Inject device ID and IG platform ID, define frame buffer ports, and add any binary patches only if needed. Install whatever green and Lilu and enable frame buffer patching flags. Make sure to disable older conflicting patches. Otherwise, two injections fight and graphics will fail. Rebuild caches before rebooting. Finish by rebuilding the kext cache and resetting NVRAM, then boot with verbose mode to watch for frame buffer, Lilu, and whatever green messages. If graphics are unstable or you see black screen, try an alternate IG platform ID or revert to a previously working frame buffer. Remove custom binary, patches one at a time to isolate the conflict. Make sure IGFXFA or power management tweaks are set if you see sleep/wake problems. Keep a known good EFI backup, and collect IREG and kernel logs for community help if you need to escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.